everybody, this is my deer and beef tater tot casserole. Here's your ingredient list. You're going to need a large pan, a casserole dish, or a large roasting pan. You're going to want a large bag of tater tots from the frozen food section. You're going to want 1.5 pounds of fresh ground deer meat, venison if you're buying it from the butcher. 1.5 pounds of ground beef. You need to dice up 1 whole onion, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 stalk or 2 of celery. Go ahead and sprinkle those vegetables across that meat layer, and then add your seasoning. Season with salt, pepper, cumin, paprika, and oregano. A pinch of cayenne, little red pepper. Now you're going to mix together in a bowl 1 can of Rotel, as hot as you want it, with 2 cans of your favorite cream of mushroom soup. Mix these up well. If you want to add some hot peppers or black olives, this would be the place. Then spread that nice mixture across your already put together layers. Create a nice moist layer all the way covering your meat, tater tots, and the veggies. Don't be scared to add a little more seasoning at this point if you choose to. Now you're going to take 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and sprinkle across to make the top. So try to cover all of your layers with a full layer of shredded cheese. You don't have to use cheddar. You could also mix in some Monterey Jack. If you want to get fancy, you could add some pepperonis to the top or other pizza toppings. Sprinkle a little more seasoning across the top of your cheese for a nice top layer. Now it goes into your 400-degree oven for between 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the size of your casserole, your dish, and your oven. Cook it till it looks like this. This is what it looks like served and plated. Enjoy, you guys. Thank you for watching my video today. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and share the video to anyone you know who likes some good homemade food.